Hello children, I hope you all are fine and healthy. In the last lecture we have studied few examples of exercise 2.2. Means I think that is question number 1, 2 and 3 it's over. Now we are going to study question number 4, few examples and 2 more examples of the exercise. Okay, so let's move. Question number 4 of your exercise 2.2 is what? Simplify, and from that simplify I have given the first sum. Now as you can see in this example there is no denominator, so what you are going to do, you will have to take what? 1. Okay, now as here the denominator is 1, 6 and 12, the denominators are different. To make it same you have to find what? LCM of 1, 6 and 12. So this is one more method, you see long division method, 1, 6 and 12. Now this, at least here, at least 2 numbers should be divisible by any same number. So as you can see, this 6 and 12 both are divisible by 3. This one will be as it is, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. Now again you can find here that this 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So we write here 2. This one will be as it is. When you divide 2 by 2, you will get 1. When you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. Now, is there any 2 numbers which is divisible by the same number? Only 1 is there. But 1 again you will get 1, 1 and 1. So, no need to divide it again. So, what is meant by LCM? I have already told. LCM means product of common factors and uncommon factors. So, what are the common factors? 3 into 2, and what is uncommon? 1 into 1 into 2, that is 2 ones are 2, and now multiply 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So your LCM is what now? 12. So what we are going to do now, see this method is also very easy. You will draw one common line and write here LCM as 12. Now this 12 you will divide always. This 12 you have to divide by the denominator. So when you divide 12 by 1, what you will get only 12. So whatever you are getting after division you write here and multiply this 12 with the numerator, that is what here 3 in the first fraction. Now whatever the sign here that we write, same process we apply here. This 12 you will divide by 6. So when you divide 12 by 6, what is the answer? 2. So you write here 2 and multiply with its numerator. Same way, divide this 12 by the denominator. So 12 by 12 is 1. Multiply with its numerator and you are getting 11. Okay. Now simplify. 12 3 is 36. 2 7 is 14. 11 1 is 11 by 12. Now after this, you have to simplify. 36 minus 14, whatever you are getting. In that you will add 11 and whatever answer you are getting, that you have to write. So remaining 2-3 steps is your homework. Means you have to complete this sum now. Okay. So whatever you are getting, that you have to write. Now see the same sum. This is also the same sum like this. Only here the fractions are given as mix. This is mixed fraction. And I told you students, whenever there is mixed fraction, you have to convert mixed fraction into improper. So let's convert mix into improper. See, what is how to convert? Multiply this two. 10 5 is 50. 50 plus 3, 53. So what we are getting? 53 by 5 plus 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 5, 17 by 6 minus 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 by 5. Now see the denominator is again different, 5, 6 and 5. So you have to find what now? It's LCM. LCM of 5, 6 and 5. So again see how to find LCM. This is 5, 6, 5. You can see this 5 and 5 is divisible by 5. So we will divide it 1. This is not divisible. It will remain as it is and here 1. Now can we divide it again by the any same number? No. So what is your LCM? LCM means product of common and uncommon factors. So what is common? 5 and what is uncommon? 6. Whatever the last line factors, that all you have to write. So 5 6 is 30. So your LCM is what? 30. And in the same way you will proceed like this. to write the denominator as 30. Divide this 30 by 5, whatever you will get right here, and multiply with its numerator. And in this way, you have to complete this example. Okay, this is your homework. You have to complete this example. Now let's move to the word problem, that is question number 5. Now see children, the sum which I have written on the blackboard, the same type of sums we have done in integer lesson also. Only in place of integers, what do you have now? You have the fractions. Okay, you have the number as fraction, but the method is same. Okay, now see, what is the question? What should be added to 11 by 48 to get 13 by 16? Means what fraction you will add in 11 by 48 so that you are getting what? 13 by 16. So we don't know what should be added. So let us consider, let x should be added. In place of x you can take any letter. So let x should be added. Now we will write according to question. You have to write according to question, or you can write according to condition. So according to question, what? See, what should be added? We have taken x should be added. So if x should be added, added means plus, to what? You have to add this in 48 to get, means we are getting. What we are getting, that always we write after equal to. So we are getting what? 30 by 16. Now again, this is the step of any equation, and you know equation means there is equal to sign and variable, and you know in such type of questions you have to keep variables on one side and the numbers on the other side, means transposition. Now see, this x will be here. Remember which fraction you will write first, means this right hand side number you will write first, and what do you have now here? 13 by 16 you will write, and you want 11 by 48 on right side for simplification. So to simplify this, when we transpose plus 11 by 48 from left to right, it becomes minus 11 by 48. And now you know, just we have solved in the previous example how to simplify the fractions. In the same way you will simplify and you will get the answer. Here also first you will find what? LCM of 16 and 48. Now see here, you can see this is 16 and this is 48. I know that both the numbers are divisible by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 2s. Again you can see both are divisible by 4. Let's divide 1s and 4 1s and 4 3s. Can we divide this again by any number? No. So what will be LCM? Product of common and uncommon. So what is the product? 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 is what your LCM. And now you know what you will do. Divide this 48 by 16. Whatever the answer you will get, that you will write here. As you know, when you divide 48 by 16, what you will get? 3s are. And this 3 you will multiply with its numerator, that is 13 minus. Now after this again you have to write now. This is question mark I have put here. You have to complete this sum now. Again you will divide 48 by 48. So what you will get? 1. And that one you will multiply with 11 and so on. So in this way at last you will get the value of x. Whatever the fraction answer you will get. And that is what that number or that fraction should be added. At last you have to write answer in words. That fraction should be added to 11 by 48 to get 13 by 16. Okay. So I hope you understood all these examples today, whatever we have studied. And again, your homework is what? Complete this question number 4. Okay. And fifth one, whatever the steps are left, that you have to complete. And you have to write question number 4, 7 and 9. This is your homework for today's class. Okay. So, do your homework regularly. Goodbye.